Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about my registration number is the York 19CS1080, and I am saying about the experiment 7 in the uh, computer networks. Let's see mm, the experiment name is dynamic routing OSPF. Let's see the topology. Here is the topology, and we need to see the uh, first one, router 0, router enable, router config terminal. Enter configure command one per line with control Z. Router config interface phase fathernet 0/0. Router config no shutdown. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.1 to 52.255.252. Router config if exit. Router config interface serial 2/0. Router config if no shutdown. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.5 to 55.255.255.252. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.5 to 55.255.255.2.5 2.2 router config if n router and router config tcon enter configuration commands per on per line and with control them. Router config router OSPF1 router config router network 192.168.1.0 area 0 router config router network 192.168.1.4 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router and router and let's see the router 1 and router 1 router enable router config terminal vendor configuration command 1 per line and with control Z. Router config interface serial 2/0. Router config if no shutdown. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.6 255.255.255.252. Router config if exit. Router config interface serial 3/0. Router config if no shutdown. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.9 to 55.255.255.252. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.9 to 55.255.255.252. Router config if n router configured from console by console. Router config T enter configuration command on per line and with control Z. Router config router OSPF1 router config router network 192.168.1.4 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router network 192.168.1.8 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router and router and let's see the router 2. Here is the router 2. Router enable router config terminal enter configuration commands one per line and with control Z. Router config interface serial 2/0. Router config if no shutdown. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.0 10 to 55.255.252. Router config if exit. Router config interface serial 3/0. Router config if no shutdown. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.13 to 55.255.252. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.13 13 to 55.255.252. Router config if and router router conf t enter configuration command one per line and with control Z. Router config router OS1 OSPF1 router config router network 192.168.1.8 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router network 192.168.1.12 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router and router and let's see the router 3 and router enable router config terminal configuration commands on per line and with control Z. Router config interface serial 2/0. Router config if no shutdown. Router config if IP address 192.168.1.14 to 55.255.255.252. Router config if exit. router config interface and serial 3/0 router config if no shutdown router config if IP address 192.168.1.17 to 55.55.55.52 router config if IP address 192.168.1.17 to 55.55.55.52 router config if and router config enter configuration command one per line and with control that router config router 0 OSPF 1 router config router network 192.168.1.12 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router network 192.168.1.16 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router and router and let's see the router 4 router enable router config terminal enter configuration command one per line enter with control Z router config interface serial 2/0 router config if no shutdown router config if IP address 192.168.1.18 to 55.55.55.252 router config if exit interface was Ethernet 0 no shutdown IP address is 192.168.1.21 to 55.55.55.52 router config router config router OSPF on router config router network 192.168.1.16 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router network 192.168.1.020 0.0.0.3 area 0 router config router and let's open the router 0 sh IP rout we got the output here for ship route and for ship protocol you can see the output here and for ship OSPF you can see here ship OSPF interface and ship OSPF 2/0 ship OSPF SC 2/0 ship OSPF int SC 2/0 ship OSPF neighbor ship OSPF database and we got all the outputs for SH for SH route, SHIP route, SSIP protocol, SHIP OSPF, SHIP OSPF interface, SHIP OS interface into SC 2/0 SHIF OSPF neighbor, SHIF IP OSPF database. Let's see the multi-area OSPF for router 0 for PC 0 IP configuration interface faster Ethernet 0 IPv4 address 192.168.1.2 subnet mask 255.255.252 default gateway 192.168.1.1 DNS server 0.0.0.0 IPv6 configuration ink local address FE80026047FF FE42 BB10 and let's see the PC1 for PC1 PC1 IP configuration interface faster Ethernet 0 IP is for address 192.168.1.22 subnet mask 255.255.255.252 default gateway 192.168.1.21 DNS server 0.0.0.0 IPv6 local address FE802.2 17FF FE832 499A and router 0. We gave the router AN enter configuration IP config IP address 192.168.1.2 1.1 to 55.255.255.252 router exit config exit interface serial 2/0 no shutdown IP address 192.168.1.5 to 55.255.255.252 type router config IP address if IP address 192.168.1.5 to 55.255.255.252 router config if and router config enter configuration OSPF1 router config network 192.168.1.0 0.0.0.3 area 1 router configurator network 192.168.1.4 0.0.0.3 area 1 and router config router and router. Let's see the router 1 and router enable router config interface serial 2/0 router config if no shutdown router config if 192.168.9 to 55.255.255.255.2 router config if exit router config serial 3/0 no shutdown IP config 192.1.9 to 55.255.255.252 IP address if config IP address next IP address is 192.168.1.9 to 55.255.255.252 router config and command router OSPF1 router config router network 192.168.1.4 0.0.0.3 area 1 router config network 192.168.1.8 to 0.0.0.380 router config router and router 2 interface serial 2/0 no shutdown IP configuration IP address 192.168.1.1.55.255.20 exit interface serial 3/0 no shutdown IP address 192.168.1.13 255.255.252 IP address 192.168.1.13 255.255.252 and suffer the router OSPF1 network 192.168.1.8000.3 area 0 network 192.168.12 0.0.0.3 area 0 and for third one is also the interface serial 2/0 enter IP configuration is 192.168.1.4 and for IP address for interface serial 2/3/0 IP address is 192.168.117 and IP address is next IP address 192.168.117 for router OSPF1 network is 192.168.1.12 network is 192.168.1.16 for router 4 configure terminal interface serial 2/0 for IP address is 192.168.1.18 and exit interface faster Ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.1.21 and router config router OSPF1 network 192.168.1.16 network 192.168.1.12 is area 2 and area 2 and let's see for second one SH IP ROUT route for SH IP PROTOCO protocol and for SH IP OSPF SH IP OSPF interface SH IP OSPF int SC 2/0 SH IP OSPF neighbor. We can see the option here for SH IP OSPF database. Here the option and we can see the output here for all the one and thank you guys by watching my video. for all the outputs. Thank you guys by watching my video.